let's continue to talk about here, there, and over there. Tara! Kumusta po kayo? Welcome back. We are continuing our discussion on the Tagalog demonstrative pronouns or panghalip pamatlig. We are still covering the third category of Tagalog demonstrative pronouns, the oblique demonstrative pronouns, DITÓ, RITÓ, DIYÁN, RIYÁN, and DOÓN, ROÓN. Please also note that DOÓN, ROÓN has a casual form, DUN. Just be aware of that. And also, as you know by now, there are 6 categories of demonstrative pronouns in Tagalog as you can see on the table. If not, I encourage you to see parts 1 to 7 of this series to get you up to speed. The links are in the description box down below. Oblique demonstrative pronouns are the equivalent of the English here, there, and over there. In Tagalog, we have 2 versions for each, DITÓ, RITÓ, DIYÁN, RIYÁN, and DOÓN, ROÓN. In the last video, I told you that the usage of the D version and the R version depends on the consonant and vowel ending of the words before the pronoun, as we will see in our examples later. In the last video, I discussed the instances when to use the oblique demonstrative pronouns, and these are when pointing out where the action is taking place and when pointing out a location. In this video, we will tackle the next instances when pointing out where someone is being asked to move and when pointing out where an object is being asked to be moved. There are other instances, but these are the more common ones and the best place for you to get started with the oblique demonstrative pronouns. So, tara, simulan na natin. Let's begin. Let's start with when pointing out where someone is being asked to move. This involves the subject moving from an original location to a new location. We will use the verb plus subject plus demonstrative pronoun pattern. Here goes. Pumunta ka rito. Literally, go here, which in proper English is come here. Pumunta ka roon. Go over there. The verb pumunta comes from the root word punta, to go. There is another way of saying come here in Tagalog, and it's a bit strange. Halika rito. Come here with me. Halika roon. Come with me over there. Halika is a strange verb. Notice that it combines the second person pronoun ka. This is the only instance you can use this verb. We use the verb pumunta to convey the action in the past, present, and future. There is a plural form though. Halikayo rito. You all come here with me. Halikayo roon. You all come with me over there. Cool, isn't it? Moving on. Lumapit ka rito. Come close here. Lumapit ka roon. Go close over there. Lumapit is from the root word lapit, come close. Bumalik ka rito, come back here. Bumalik ka roon, go back over there. Bumalik is from the root word balik, to return or to come back. Notice too that we used rito and roon and not dito and doon. That's because the words before the demonstrative pronouns rito and roon is the personal pronoun ka, which ends in a vowel. Watch out for using the D version in the following examples. Pupunta siya rito. He or she will come here. Pupunta ako riyan. I will go there. Pupunta tayo roon. We will go over there. Lalapit si Tess dito. Tess will come close here or Tess will come here. It is dito because the word before it, Tess, ends in a consonant. Clear? Moving on. Lalapit ako riyan. I will come close to you there. Lalapit tayo roon. We will come close to that place over there. Darating si Anton dito. Anton will arrive here or Anton will come here. Darating si Marie riyan. Marie will arrive there or Marie will come there. Darating si Ariana roon. Ariana will arrive over there. Darating is from the root word dating, to arrive. Moving on. Babalik ako rito. I will come back here or I will return here. Babalik siya riyan. He or she will come back there or he or she will return there. Babalik sila roon. They will come back over there or they will return over there. In these simple sample sentences, the demonstrative pronouns dito, rito, diyan, riyan, and doon, roon are used to indicate the location where the subject moves to from a previous location. Ayos ba? Are we doing great so far? And what would be even greater is if you click on the subscribe button if you're not yet a subscriber and hit the bell notification button so you'll be updated of new videos. Alright, moving on. The next instance when to use the demonstrative pronouns dito, rito, diyan, riyan, and doon, roon is when pointing out where an object is being asked to be moved. It involves an object being moved by someone to a new location. Let's take a look at our simple sample sentences. We will be using the verb plus subject plus object plus demonstrative pronoun pattern. Here goes. Ilagay mo ang baso rito. Put the drinking glass here. It's rito because baso ends in a vowel. Ilagay mo iyan dito. Put that here. It's dito because iyan ends in a consonant. Ilalagay ko ang plato riyan. I will put the plate there. Ilalagay ko ito roon. I will put this over there. Did you get the idea? The sample sentences involve telling someone to move an object to a new location. That location is represented by the oblique demonstrative pronouns. Also notice that we have used the direct demonstrative pronouns iyan and ito to substitute for the names of the object. Cool? Moving on. Ibalik mo ang martilyo rito. Bring back the hammer here. Ibalik mo iyan dito. Bring that back here. Ibabalik ko ang plancha riyan. I will bring the iron back there. Ibabalik ko ito roon. I will bring this back over there. Isauli mo ang bola rito. Return the ball here or give the ball back here. Isauli mo iyan dito. Return that here or give that back here. Isasauli ni June ang bola riyan. June will return the ball there or June will give the ball back there. Isasauli niya ito roon. He will return this over there or he will give this back over there. Ayos ba? So far so good? If you're liking this video so far, please click the like button because that will help this video and this channel to be recommended to more people, thus helping this channel grow. Alright, let's continue. Ilipat mo ang kotse rito. Move the car here or transfer the car here. Ilipat mo iyan dito. Move that here or transfer that here. Ililipat ni Marie ang gamit niya riyan. Marie will move her stuff there or Marie will transfer her stuff there. Ililipat niya iyon doon. She will move that over there or she will transfer that over there. Dalhin mo ang bag mo rito. Bring your bag here. Dalhin mo iyan dito. Bring that here. Dadalhin ni na Ed at Ariana ang mga alahas diyan. Ed and Ariana will bring the jewelries there. Dadalhin nila ang mga iyon doon. they will bring those over there. That's about it for now. In this video, in the last video, we have discussed the uses of the oblique demonstrative pronouns DITÓ, RITÓ, DIYÁN, RIYÁN, and DOÓN, ROÓN. We have learned that they are used, number 1, when pointing out where the action is taking place. Number 2, when pointing out a location. Number 3, when pointing out where someone is being asked to move. And number 4, when pointing out where an object is being asked to be moved. In the next video, we will continue our discussion on the Tagalog demonstrative pronouns, and we will cover the 4th category, the locative demonstrative pronouns. I hope you catch that. I will see you next time. Maraming salamat po at hanggang sa susunod.